All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at the Kickerillo homes. This is in a gated community right here in Houston, Texas. Now, this is the model house, but it's actually for sale, believe it or not. So current asking price is sitting about 1.6 right now. Now, of course, it is flexible. So if it's something that you love this property and you want to make an offer on it and you want to definitely see, this will be a good plan for you. So we do have the tile roof on top. That is the first time we've seen that on here, and I absolutely love the way it looks. And even just looking at the exterior of the property, you have that beautiful stucco, you have that beautiful double wooden door right there. If you notice, you also have a garage over here plus a single garage over there. So we'll definitely get to that, but I want to bring you the best of the best. So not only do you have the stucco, you do have the brick on the lower exterior as well. You have this covered front porch, which I absolutely love. And I'm going to take you inside the first of the property. So of course, even right here, you have this beautiful curved staircase. You have these wooden floors throughout. And the first thing that you're noticing inside is you have that open concept that we so much love. So right here, you can have a formal living room right here. Not to mention, if you look at the back of the property, you have the gate where you can easily see the little lake right there, little pond. And that way it just gives you a beautiful view in the morning. Not to mention right here, you have your built-in shelving. I could see a lot of folks just putting some picture frames right there or just having some decor and some decorations, which is fantastic. And we'll go straight into the primary bedroom. So taking a look on top, you have the crown molding. Not to mention, look how much space you have inside of this primary bedroom. You have these oversized windows bringing in plenty of natural light. You have your beautiful baseboards with the molding as well. And I just love the minimal feel inside of here. So they wanted to make sure that they just added just enough furniture for it to do it justice, but not too much where it just feels extremely cluttered. And if you notice that with a lot of these other plans that we've seen, sometimes they may overdo it with the furniture, but in here is certainly not the case. So we'll take a look in here. Look how beautiful this is right here. Oh my goodness. So you have your quartz countertops inside of here. You have dual sinks plus a vanity area right there. You have 3 separate mirrors, which I absolutely love. If you want to see yourself from any angle, you can definitely do so. You have your freestanding tub, soaking tub inside of here. The depth in here is absolutely ridiculous, which is fantastic if you want to relax after a long day. And then you have this nice shower right here. So the walk-in shower, you have your built-in bench, stainless steel shower head and knob. Of course, right here, you're gonna have your toilet. Inside of here, you're gonna have your large primary walk-in closet. Now you do have carpet inside of here, but you definitely have plenty of storage. You have the built-in shelving as well over here. So I definitely love it. I mean, you have your tile inside of here. I think is definitely unique. This is the very first time we've ever seen Kickerillo homes on this property tour channel. But I want to make sure I bring you every single builder that we can, especially ones that I truly believe in and that are reputable, right? So there definitely are. You have your second bedroom or second closet right here, which is fantastic, perfect for the fellas. And then if you notice, you even have access in your primary bedroom to the backyard covered patio. So we'll continue along here. What we'll do is I'll show you the formal dining room right here. So right here, you have your formal dining room with the beautiful candlelight chandelier right here. And if you notice, you have the crown molding on top, which is fantastic. I think they added a nice touch inside of here. And if you even notice right over there, as soon as you walked into the property, you could easily put some nice decor right there. Maybe the kids can hang out over there if you want to. The possibilities are endless. And then right here, you have your nice area with your quartz countertops, perfect for wine and things like that. And then now we're going into the great room that's connected to the kitchen. So it's separate inside of here. Sometimes we'll go into other plans that are just all connected as one. So if it's something where you really don't care as far as that huge open concept and the entertainer's dream, this may be a perfect plan for you. So you got this large oversized island, 10.5 foot. You have the breakfast bar as well with the quartz countertops, not to mention all this custom cabinetry on this side as well. You got your brass handles, and I absolutely love it. So the cabinets are sort of a cream color, plus you got your stainless steel range hood right here. You got a 5 burner cooktop with the double stainless steel oven. So you definitely have plenty of space inside of here, not to mention a large oversized pantry. So this is perfect. I absolutely love it. And then you have your built-in microwave right here in the island with more cabinetry space. Also, you do have the cabinet crowns on top. And then just looking at the great room itself, look how many windows you have. Plenty of natural light inside of here. You have your stone fireplace from floor to ceiling. I absolutely love it. It's an electric fireplace, plus you have this ledge. It's a wooden ledge. Look how much light goes into here. So if you can imagine, I mean, most folks would spend the majority of the time right here, right? Because the other section where we just were entering is more of a formal section. This could be a more informal setting because you have the kitchen connected to it. You know, you have your great room where you can have your nice sized TV right there on top of the fireplace. So the possibilities are certainly endless. So we'll continue along right here. You're going to have your mud room, more cabinetry space inside of here. Not to mention you have your utility room right here with all these cabinets on top. You got your sink right there. So this is perfect for a nice size washer and dryer. An oversized washer and dryer may be a little tight, so I would stick with a standard one. And this is your single car garage right here. So this is perfect, if you can imagine, because you have that access right there. So there's that door. As soon as you would walk in from your covered porch, you know, your guests can come straight in here if you don't want them to walk through the main door. And this is exactly where they would end up going. So that's what we're looking like as far as that is concerned. What we'll do is we'll take a ride right here just so you can see every single angle of the property. You got your powder bath right here. So that way they don't have to go to the bedrooms to use the restroom. And then of course, you have a nice coat closet. So what we'll do is we'll go up the curved staircase. You have these 20-foot ceilings inside of here. I love that you have your chandelier right over your staircase, which is fantastic. But the one thing I'm really noticing about this property is the amount of natural light that enters inside of the property is absolutely immaculate. And then look how large this nice size game room is. So some folks may use it as a media room, but I can definitely see it as a game room. You could have the sofa, the L-shaped couch, how they have it, or you could have the ping pong table plus your pool table, and you have plenty of space. And not to mention right here, you have your balcony, and look how large the balcony is itself. Wow, this is perfect. So you got your second level balcony, which is absolutely fantastic. This would be your view every single morning. Wow, right overlooking the lake. And like I said, folks, this is a gated community. So if it's something where you want privacy and seclusion and you don't want to have to worry, this will be a perfect community for you. So what we'll do is we'll continue along. Let's take a left right here and go to the next bedroom itself. Look how large this bedroom is right here. So you got your furniture inside of here. You got your wooden furniture. A lot of times what we'll see is more of that more modern furniture. Inside of here, you'll have traditional, and just even having the connected bathroom. You have your quartz countertops, stainless steel lighting fixture, plus you have a nice size walk-in shower. You got your shower niche with the tile shower surround. Me personally, I really don't like the furniture too much, but you know, to each his own. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And then, so what we'll do is we'll continue along. So we already seen 2 bedrooms. This will be your third right here. So the space inside of here is pretty immaculate. It's not oversized. It's not an oversized bedroom, but it definitely gets the job done depending on who's going to be in here. And that's kind of what we're working with. And then of course you do have your bathroom that's attached to it. And not to mention, this one is a Jack and Jill. So it's a Jack and Jill. It's going to attach over there. But then of course, if it's something where folks are over there in the game room or in the balcony, they could use this one, no problem. And then right here, we'll be going into the next bedroom. So inside of here, you do have your built-in desk over there. Plus you have a walk-in closet. And this is how much space that you're working with. So I definitely think, I mean, it does it justice. Of course, if it's something where you really don't like these more modern builders such as Perry Homes or Coventry Homes or things like that, this may be a perfect model for you. And it just kind of adds a nice spruce. The one thing I love about this one is not cookie cutter. In essence, what I mean by that is not one of those things where you're going to see these all over the city of Houston. You're definitely going to have a unique property. And not to mention, somebody buys this one, you really don't have to worry about, you know, your neighbor having the exact same floor plan as you. This is unique in itself. Not to mention, right here, you have your nice size covered backyard patio, and you still have yard space. So I notice a lot of these other places, they compromise on the yard space, but certainly not in here. And that would be your view in the morning as well. So that, folks, is Kickerillo Homes. All right, Rankin family. So that was Kickerillo Homes. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.